Welcome to What You Wish For. This is your space of reinventing yourself and creating your new desired reality. If you are new here, we at What You Wish For believe that we can make this world a better, kinder, safer, and healthier place just by being a better, kinder, and a healthier version of ourselves. We at What You Wish For are here to help you manifest your dream realities and become your best selves. We believe in living to the fullest and nurturing ourselves while co-creating and being in harmony with the universe. In today's video, we will be talking about law of attraction. What is it, how to make it work for you, and all of those questions. But before we do that, we offer one-on-one coaching, and to book a slot with us, you can check the description box and you will find all the links there. If you like our video and the content that we create, you can like, share and subscribe to our channel and show your appreciation and love for us. Now, let's get into the reason why you are here. From the topic, you already know we are going to talk about law of attraction. You have probably stumbled upon this phenomenon called law of attraction. You may have read or heard of the book The Secret, or you may have seen some other YouTube videos where they talk about manifesting their dream selves, their dream house, and all of that. Or if you're anything like me, you have watched way too many movies like Doctor Strange, where he opens a portal just by visualization and using their mind. Limitless, Lucy, where they all talk about how we can use our mind for more than what we can even perceive. We still have no idea how powerful our minds are. But what we do know now is that our thoughts are very powerful. Law of attraction basically states that your thoughts, emotions, and focus create your reality. So whatever you are thinking and whatever you are focusing on and the way that you are feeling, they dictate your reality or the 3D or your circumstances. If you are still here, you probably want an answer to the question like, how do I make the law of attraction work? How to get this law of attraction to start working? This is a question that has been asked so many times by my friends and my clients. The answer, unfortunately or fortunately, whichever way you perceive it, is that law of attraction is always working. You may not be consciously manifesting right now, but you are still manifesting. Your mind, your thoughts, your emotions, you are focusing on something at one point or the other. So you are manifesting. A better question to ask would be, how to make the law of attraction work for you? How to start consciously manifesting? The answer is simple. Being mindful. Being mindful of your thoughts. Being mindful of the emotions that you are feeling or you're allowing yourself to dwell in. And being mindful of the things that you focus on. Now, let us start with a couple of principles to understand how this law of attraction thing works, or to basically break it down for you even more so that you know what you are dealing with. Number one, everything is energy. The money you have, the feelings you have, your body, your thoughts, everything is energy. You, the physical things around you, the abstract thoughts within you, everything is energy. Which leads me to the second point. Everything is vibrating at its own frequency. Since it's energy is always moving and vibrating, everything has its own vibrational frequency. This is how we attract things, attract circumstances or behavior of people or emotions of certain people toward us, all of those things. This is how we attract things, by being on a certain vibrational frequency. So if you want to manifest anything in your life, all you have to do is match the vibrational frequency of the version of you which already has it. For example, if you want a new car, all you have to do is vibrate at the frequency of the version of yourself who already has the car. So you have to start feeling and be at a vibrational frequency of how you will be when you have that car. One of the best techniques which we all recommend as law of attraction coaches or anyone who has been practicing law of attraction is visualization. Visualization is a powerful method that I personally have been using along with thousands and thousands of people. The third one has been highly debated upon, but I still truly believe in it, and that is the existence of multiverse. Basically, what we're trying to say is that there are a lot of parallel realities and a lot of parallel versions of you existing at the same time. When people say that time is not linear, when people say time and space are not absolute, as in the sense that it's not just one, this is what they mean. There are a lot of versions of you, lot of, in the sense, infinite versions of you existing at the same time. This means that there is a version of you existing right now which has everything you want or desire or can want and can desire in future, which has everything and is living the life that you dream of. All you have to do is make the quantum jump. What is quantum jumping? It is no different than manifesting. I already have a video on quantum jumping and shifting on this channel, so make sure and check it out if you want to know more about it. Now that we have made all of these things clear, let us take a step back. So, if our thoughts, emotions, vibrational frequency, all of those things are always in motion, right? We're always thinking, we're always feeling something, we're always focusing on something, and we're always vibrating on a certain frequency. Then does it mean we have been manifesting at all times, all this while we have always been manifesting? The answer is yes. Our current circumstances have been manifested by our thoughts, feelings, emotions, focus, etc., etc. But unfortunately, our thoughts and emotions and what we focus on are dictated by our current circumstances, right? So what happens is that even though our thoughts and emotions are creating our circumstances, we are letting the circumstances dictate our thoughts, emotions, and focus, which lead to us creating and manifesting the same sort of reality, even if we want something different and better desperately. Awakening yourselves to the power that you hold, to the power that your mind, your thoughts, your emotions hold, is the key to start getting out of this vicious cycle. It's the key to conscious manifestation, and we have already answered this one. It's mindfulness. You just have to be mindful. Think of a thought. Think of a thought right now. Any certain thought. Go. Done? Now, when you had that thought, you had some sort of emotions invoked in yourself, right? You invoked some sort of emotion. If the thought was of something that you are looking forward to, a certain goal, a certain kind of a person that you want to become, something on those positive lines, then you must have felt happy or motivated or inspired. You might have wanted to switch off from this video and just go what you're meant to be doing. If you had some thought which is about some embarrassing thing that you did in 7th grade in front of your crush, you would want to flush yourself down the toilet. So your thoughts are invoking certain emotions. Now, what do you focus on? Do you focus on being that embarrassing self you were years and years ago? Or do you focus on something you want to be? Once you have that answer, you would know what mindfulness actually is. And you would know what you actually have to apply this mindfulness towards. You would know the best version of yourself that you want to be. Hope this helped. Hope that now you know what law of attraction is and that you are in control of your reality at all times. If you liked the video, you can show your appreciation and love for us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. If you want your loved ones to be on the same journey of self-improvement and manifesting their dream life, being their dream self, make sure to share this video with them. You can leave your inquiries, feedback, success stories, and suggestions in the comment section down below. We would love to hear from you. If you want to connect with us on different social media platforms, then you can check out the links in the description box below. Thank you for tuning in, and we really hope this helped.